In this video, I'll guide you through how to extend frame or freeze frame in Davinci Resolve. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, drag and drop the video or Davinci Resolve timeline. Now click on Edit. Now select the part where you want to start freeze frame. And select your video part and click on the blade icon. Now cut your part. Now select the part and move away from it. Again, click on the blade tool and select your part. Again, click on the selection mode and right click on the video clip. Then click on change clip speed and check mark on freeze frame and click on change. Now you can easily increase or decrease the freeze frame. Let's play the video. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily extend frame in Davinci Resolve.